Okay, this is a quick video showing how to change the air filter in a 2003 Nissan Altima. Imagine it's pretty much the same with most Nissan Altimas. So you have these clips right here. And what you need to do is you just need to pop those off. And that's the first part. And then back here you have an overhang where you got clips that are on there. So all you're going to do is, it's a little difficult sometimes, but you're just going to lift it up and just shimmy it out of there. Okay? And you got your old air filter, and you can see that's very dirty. And then you have your new air filter, which is a different brand, but it's the right size. And you're just going to fit that in there. Just make sure that's all the way in. It should just lay flat all the way around the edges. And then what you're going to do is, this is very difficult, you got the lip on these right here. You got a lip. That's got to be on the other side of these. So that's the hardest part of changing the air filter on these vehicles, is getting those lips to go on the other side of those clips. So you just gotta kind of weasel it around there. Just gotta sometimes get your fingers in there, just push it over. Now you can see the lip is over on these. I don't know if the camera can catch that, but it is. And then you're going to come over here where you got these clips, and you're just gonna pull this up, which is easier said than done, but that's good. You want a nice tight fit. And now those are on, and now you can throw out your old air filter, which is really disgusting. And you got a nice brand new clean air filter in the car, and it's as easy as that. You don't have to go pay big bucks to get a mechanic to do that for you. And that's how you change the air filter on a 2003 Nissan Altima.